Hey, Subtle Breakthroughs here, and today we're switching gears. I've been scrolling through countless job postings, freelance gigs, and success stories from people making a killing online, and I've noticed a pattern. It's not just about finding the right platform or the hottest trend, it's about having a core set of skills that open up a world of opportunities. So, I'm here to break down the 5 essential skills you need to thrive online. The first one is tech-savviness. This might be obvious, but you've got to be comfortable exploring the internet. Understanding basic software, troubleshooting tech issues, and staying up to date with new tools are crucial. Well, the internet is your office, your marketplace, and your networking hub. So, if you're not comfortable with the tools of the trade, you'll be left behind. Knowing how to use communicating platforms such as emails, Slack, Zoom, Teams, or others, or project management tools, and even basic troubleshooting can make or break your ability to deliver for clients or manage your own online business. Plus, new tools and platforms emerge constantly, so the ability to learn quickly and adapt is a huge advantage. Number two is communication. Whether it's writing emails, crafting engaging social posts, or confidently pitching clients, clear and effective communication is non negotiable. In the online world where words are your currency, whether you're writing a proposal for a client, crafting a social media post, or responding to customer inquiries, clear, concise, and persuasive communication builds trust, closes deals, and keeps your audience engaged and happy. Without strong communication skills, you'll struggle to build relationship, promote your work, and ultimately make a living online. Number three is adaptability. The online world changes fast. Being able to learn new things and embrace change and pivot your strategies is essential for long-term success. The internet world is a constantly evolving landscape, so algorithms change, new platforms emerge, and trends come and go. And if you're not willing to learn, adapt, and experiment, you'll quickly become irrelevant. Embracing change and being open to new ideas and approaches is the key to stay ahead of the game and thriving in the ever changing online world. Number four is self discipline and time management. Working from home or freelancing requires self motivation and organization. So, setting goals, managing your time effectively, and avoiding distractions are key to staying on track. Good thing working from home or freelancing offers incredible flexibility, but it also comes with unique challenges. Without a boss looking over your shoulder or a structured office environment, it's easy to get sidetracked or lost focus. So, setting clear goals, creating a daily schedule, and prioritizing tasks are essential for staying productive and achieving your objectives. And here's the big one: digital marketing. This skill ties everything together. Understanding how to reach your target audience, build a brand, and ultimately generate income online is the secret sauce for unlocking your full potential. For me, digital marketing acts as my online megaphone. It's the skill that allowed me to reach my target audience worldwide. And without digital marketing, your talents and services remain hidden. But with a solid understanding of SEO, content marketing, social media, and other strategies, you can amplify your voice, attract clients or customers, and build a thriving online business. By working on these 5 essential skills, you'll create a solid foundation for a success in digital world. Whether you're dreaming of fulfilling remote career, launching your own online venture, or simply want to explore the online world with confidence, these skills will empower you to achieve your goals. Now, you might be thinking, digital marketing, but that sounds complicated. I get it. That's why I'm launching a new series of subtle breakthroughs dedicated to simplifying digital marketing. We'll break it into bite sized lessons, focusing on the particular strategies that will make the biggest impact on your online journey. We'll be covering everything from understanding your audience, who are you trying to reach, and what do they care about, or crafting compelling content, so how to create blog posts, videos, and social media content that gets attention, building your brand, how to stand out from the crowd and establish yourself as an authority, or driving traffic and generating sales. So, understanding this would help you get people to your website and convert them into customers or clients, and much more. So no matter where you are in your online journey, whether you're just starting out or looking to level up, this series will help you get the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. And regardless of what you want to promote online, it could be your affiliate marketing, it could be your business, it could be your service, this series will help you get started on your journey. Now, I am not an online guru. My goal in this series is to share what I've learned while offering my services online to clients. Of course, we need to first look into the foundations of digital marketing, and from there, we'll look into practical ways to apply what we learned. And I am hoping this will be an enjoyable journey with you commenting and sharing your thoughts as I try my best to give you my insights. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single episode. I'm so excited on this digital marketing journey with you. As always, I want to hear from you. Leave your questions and comment below, and I'll do my best to address them in the future videos. Remember, your success online is not just possible. It's inevitable when you have the right skills and strategies in your toolbox. Have a great day ahead. This has been Subtle Breakthroughs. Until the next